Hello, in this tutorial I want to explain you how to install some plugins for gedit and how to make a configuration for our computer to work faster with gedit. So the first thing we're gonna do is open the terminal. I'm gonna open here a key for see the screen. So you need to open the terminal. We can do it with Ctrl-Alt-T. And we're gonna install plugins for gedit. I'm working mainly with gedit, so we can use this command for installing the plugins of gedit. I type my password. Okay, they said all the plugins were installed before, so we open gedit. And now we will have a couple of tools. For example, we'll go here, edit, preferences, plugins, and here we can select. We can check the plugins that we want to use. I'm using these plugins. Character map, code comment. This code comment will help you to comment out several lines, or comment several lines at the same time with a comment. Color picker. With this we can select RGB colors. Open terminal, external tools, insert at time. But mainly, what I spell checker for gedit, text size. We can change the size. But mainly, what I use the most is code comment and color picker. So, for example, here for color picker, if we text, we click tools, pick color, and we want to select this color. It will insert automatically the code for RGB. If we want to change it, actually it opens this menu immediately. If we want to comment several lines, well, once we save a file, I will close this file. I will open a menu here, gedit, open new document, paste. The extension must be PLT for files. Move this in here. And once it knows it's PLT and we have several lines, and we can comment them with a Control Shift M. Control M, it will increase this hash symbol. Control Shift M will remove it. So we're commenting out every line, so it's easier to do comments. You can also check what the other plugins are doing. So if you're interested in other plugins like different selecting, there are here many options. So you can see what else is there. Also, I like to open the terminal from here. Open in terminal. So this will open the terminal exactly in the same direction where you are working. I mean, documents, GNUplot test, and this will open the terminal in this direction. You don't need to type anymore. Of course, it's like an ordinary terminal. You can change the directory, but you will be here immediately, so it's easier. So for doing that, we open a terminal. And we will update the repository. And we install the open terminal for Nautilus. Sudo apt-get install nautilus-open-terminal, and it will install it. Nautilus-actions, also useful. Okay, it's installing. And we're gonna restart Nautilus. Okay. And here now you will have this menu. When you do right click on a blank space here, you will have this option, open in terminal. So it will open the terminal with this address. So in the terminal, if you notice, I have the terminal that is semi-transparent. So you will have the option to see what is behind you. So you can see the plots you're doing behind the terminal, and if you have a small screen, you can put another window behind, and you will still notice the changes here. So for doing that, you will go to profiles, edit, we're in the terminal, edit profiles, and edit, and we can do it here in background, transparent background, and you can change here the background. So it will be different tones, and you can check where you're plotting behind. So another thing is like for gedit, it's important we have a text recognizer that can tell us what kind of commands we're typing. It will be very helpful for writing our script for GNUplot. So for doing that, we need to get the plugin for gedit. So we're gonna go to this address here. I will leave it in the description here, and we're gonna download the file GNUplot.lang. So that will help us to recognize the text. It will change the colors of the text. So we need to paste. We download this file GNUplot.lang, and we download it here. Download. And later we're going to paste it in this address. I will put it here, and it will be in the description of the video as well. So we need to paste it here, user, share, and this file. So as you see, we cannot, you cannot paste anything through Nautilus if you're not super users, because it's an important folder. So we need to open the terminal, or we can go to this this address, user, share. You can go through the terminal or through Nautilus. So you will go here to user, usr, share, GT-plugins, source view. Oh, there's also now 3 language, and you need to paste it here, but you cannot paste directly. So you need to open a window of Nautilus with rights. So you need to type sudo nautilus. It will ask for a password. And now it opens a window of Nautilus with rights. If this does not have rights, if we want to paste something here, like downloads, and I copy this one here, copy, and if I try to paste it here, nothing happens. It does not allow me to paste. But in this one I have rights because I open it with sudo, so I can paste. I also can paste it through the commands. So we go, what was it? User. User, share, and paste. And now I can paste it, you see. And let's see the other one, number 3. Language specs. We also have Google Basic here as well. Paste, replace, yes, we can replace. Okay, because this one has rights. So now when we write a file that has relation to GNUplot, we can recognize the code. So how to do that? For example, if we type here plot, now it becomes yellow because it's recognizing that this plot is related to PLT. And I remember also we can change here the font colors. Editor. So in order to get this color, we go to View, Highlight Mode, and we select here GNUplot. This option GNUplot is not gonna show up if you don't copy the file that we copied. So now let's see how we can work with this program, how it works when we have scripts and when we have these options for gedit. So let's start from the beginning. I will close everything, close without saving, open a file, documents, something here. I'll erase this, open a new folder. I will close this one as well. open a new folder, oh sorry, new document, test.plt, and we open it. And now we can open the terminal here, and we will type in the file plot sin x. We save with Ctrl S, and then there are two ways. We can enter directly to the software, to GNUplot, or we can use it as a command. Plot test plt, but it closes immediately. It runs this terminal closes immediately. So that is useful if we have a command or a terminal here that generates PDF or some image. So now we need to enter to the software. Plot. It's saying here it's already inside of GNUplot, and we type load quotes and the name of the file. Remember, this is the file that you generated that have the commands, and now we'll have here the command that you wrote here. But this script, plt script, will help us to have many commands together. For example, if you want to change title, set title, well, let's write hello title. We save it, and we can go this terminal, and now we have a title here. So we can pile up several commands in this terminal. That's why it's useful to do it with gedit. So in the future we will see more commands here. Okay, I think that's all, and thank you for watching.